for a ride today in the dump truck. First trip in the dump truck.
Better late than never.
Better pray for me. My gosh, you've had it for, is this 6 years? 5-6 years, and I've only ridden down the road. But here we go. I'm in a whole nother world up here. Well, we made it to the land where we are bringing this giant truckload of rock. Thank you, God, for all of the doors you're opening. This is the first load I brought of many, many, many loads of dirt and rock to come. So super excited. God is so good. We are getting to a place where we're about to start this build process, and I'm so excited.